Now, why does your iPhone home screen have a black background? So let me explain the reasons behind it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So running the latest versions of the iOS, you can just hold down on the home screen and go to the edit mode where you can essentially customize it in a sense that you turn the apps into this, for example, dark mode, right? Where they all kind of look like that. Or you can as well just go to the other mode right here, or go to the clear mode and also decide to make it a dark right there, which removes even more color. So it kind of depends on what you mean. If you mean just that, make sure you switch it back to the default mode for the apps. However, if you mean the background in terms of like the wallpaper, that it's dark, well, it also depends on some other things in here too. Like the wallpapers in iPhone work in wallpaper pairs. So if you check out the settings and go to wallpaper, you can browse through the pairs right here. And if you create like a new one, you can decide that at first you pick the wallpaper for the lock screen, but then when you go and click on an ad, you decide how it looks on the home screen as well. So you can customize the home screen in a sense that you give it more or less color, right? So it is possible that you have it set it up in a way that it kind of like limits the color. So you want to make sure that it is actually reflecting the way that you want it to look, right? So you can upload your custom picture for the home screen and a separate one for a lock screen. It really depends, but my point is that is how you can essentially play with the wallpapers on iPhone. So that is what I think the only reason why the home screen should be like black, should have a black background outside of a glitch, of course, in a software, because in that case, you can as well just update it to the latest iOS version and it should hopefully get fixed. But other than that, it should be all. So I would really love to hear your feedback below. Let me know what you think about that. Thanks a lot for watching and I hope to catch you later in the next videos as well.